How do I find my 16-digit debit card number? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can find 16-digit debit card number. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you have your physical debit card, then the 16-digit number is displayed or printed in the front of your card. As you can see here, the 16-digit debit card number is displayed in your card, so you can find it from your card. If you can't find it here, sometimes it will be displayed or it will be printed at the back of your card, so make sure that you check the back of your card as well. And if you don't have your physical debit card, and also sometimes most of the banks do not show the full 16-digit card number for the security reasons, so in that case you can use your bank's mobile application or the website. So you have to log in into your bank's mobile application or the online banking. After that, go to the card management, debit card or digital wallet section. There you can find your debit card number. If you cannot find it there as well, or if you lost your card and cannot find the number, then you can call the bank's customer service and request for your card information or the replacement. If not, you can visit your bank nearby, where you have to take your ID and account details to any of your local branch, and then the representative will help you verify your account and reissue your card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.